Hi guys, it's Shannon and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to be doing the long anticipated room tour video. So basically I filmed a room tour a few years ago now, and since then my room's had a bit of a makeover and you've not really seen it properly. You've seen clips of it, you've not seen it all together, and I'm really excited for you to see everything as a whole. I've just done the finishing touches and put everything together and I absolutely love it. I've linked the majority of the things in the description box. If I don't link anything and you want to know where it's from, just ask me in the comments and I'll do my best to help you. So this morning I've just put the finishing touches to my clothing rail and the fairy lights on the wall and a new print, which you will see shortly. And yeah, if you like blush, if you like velvet, if you like pink, if you like grey, and if you like white, this is the video for you. And if you're new to my channel and you're about to watch my first video, please give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications if you enjoyed today's video. It would mean the world to me. But yeah, I'm going to stop rambling now and let you see my room. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Right, so this is my room, and here I've just got a little puffy, and up here I have got my print. So let's start the room tour. So I think I'm going to work my way around this way. So this is just my door, I don't have anything on it, and my light switch. And moving around, I have this little bit of wall and it just kind of goes in. And in this little corner, which I've just finished doing this morning, I've got some fairy lights around the edges up here. My new Coco Chanel print from Descenio. And my clothing rail. Here I've got my mirror from Ikea as well, and my baskets at the bottom from Quality Save. So yeah, I'm just going to give you a bit of a closer view. So these fairy lights from Amazon, everything in this video will be linked below, and that is a 50 by 70 print from Descenio. And I've just kind of put my clothes in no specific order as in style, but I've got all my whites and creams here, my pinks, my greys, my blacks, and then my denim. Most of the things on my clothing rail is either Pretty Little Thing or Angel Collection. As you can see, I'm a big fan of Angel Collection. This is El Darby's range. Angel Collection, more Angel Collection, more Angel Collection, Pretty Little Thing. And yeah, I absolutely love her clothes. I do like a lot of oversized clothes as well, and I've got crop tops and bralettes, and then my denim jackets down here. If you want to see my old room tour of what my room looked like before, I will put a little eye up on the screen now, so you can click that for after the video. And then moving down from my clothes, I have extra clothes that either don't fit on my rail or that are just throw on clothes that aren't my best clothes. So this is my oversized sweater. This is a grey loungewear set, and these don't go on my colour scheme of the rail. They are my Girl of Mousse stuff from Gemma Louise Miles. And I absolutely love those, but they don't go with the colour scheme on my rail, as I said, so that's why they're down there. Then moving round, we've got my big mirror from Ikea. As you can see, this mirror is absolutely huge. It's great for selfies, ignore my fluffy socks, and it's great for outfits and everything like that, and you can still see my clothing rail in it as well. Great for trying things on and seeing how they look. The rug is from B&M as well, and it just kind of ties everything all together and fits with the theme really nicely. Then moving round, I don't want to show you too much of outside, but I'm just going to show you what's on my windowsill. I've got these gorgeous glitter flowers on my windowsill, and they just look really pretty, and I really like them. They're in this gorgeous spatter vase as well. Then I've got my crushed velvet curtains, which were from somewhere called Tony's Textiles, but I've linked some very similar from Dunelm. And a quick overview here of my bed, my Alex 9 drawers, my record player, and my decor. So I'm going to be taking you down here. So here I've just got my Urban Outfitters record player in velvet. And this was a limited edition one, and I've got my Lewis Capaldi record on here as well. I do play it, I don't play it very often, but I do play it, but I use the speakers as well because they're Bluetooth. Then we have my Alex 9 drawers. In the first few I keep my underwear, and then I keep some pyjamas and just some little random bits, so I'm just going to show you what's in them. This is my bras. I've got more bras in there as well, but these are like my favourite ones. And as you can see, most of my underwear is from Lounge. Love Lounge. Would be a dream collab one day maybe, if I ever got there where I want to be. More Lounge. These are my pink ones. As you can tell, I love pink. That's no surprise to any of you. Even if this is my first video that you've seen, I'm sure you can tell that I love pink. More Lounge, and these match the bra sets as well. Then we have got the Angel Collection underwear set as well, and some pants at the back there. Here I've got my planner for my YouTube videos, and I've got a notebook underneath just to plan my videos in rough. And then I have my Ted Baker pencil case here with everything in, from my medication that I take on a night to my highlighters and pens as well. In this drawer I keep all my silky PJs. I don't own very much anymore, but the matching dressing gown is on my bathroom door. This drawer is just full of various different random things, and it's all in this little box here. Then I keep my Angel Collection PJs and oversized t-shirts in here as well. They're the joggers, and then these are the tops. And then in this bottom one I keep my Canon box and usually my camera when I'm not filming, and my glasses as well. But I'm currently wearing them. In this little corner it's full of wires, so we're just going to pretend that that's not there. But I've got my laptop and I've got my records as well. So my bed was from Facebook Marketplace, but I've found a very similar one and linked it in the description box. My throw is from The Range. My bedding is from Very. And I'm just going to give you a close-up. Eventually I do want to get a new bed that's not crushed velvet, but more like a velvet finish, if that makes sense, without the diamantes in. Look more grown up. I've had this bed a long time now, but I do love it. It is slightly broken underneath as well, so I definitely need a new bed. As you can see, everything ties in nicely together and everything matches. And I think the bedding and the pillows are on offer at the minute as well, and this circle pillow is from The Range. If you want to watch my recent homeware haul, I will link it at the end of the video, and then you can see where I got everything from and the links, but it will be in the description anyway. But if you do want to watch that video, you're more than welcome to. Then coming into this corner, I'm going to start over here first. I have my Ikea Alex shelves, and this is my light box. Then I have my Chanel book, my little pumpkin from Etsy, my Gucci box. This isn't actually a real Gucci box. The book's real from Chanel, but this is not a real Gucci box, so don't come for me. I've got a little perfume bottle with my name on. How pretty is that? And then underneath I have a little candle from George Home. So yeah, this is just the shelf. Then moving around, you can see I've got my fairy light wall, and then I have got this little breakfast tray from Dunelm, and I've got some flowers from Etsy and my little Chanel book on there as well. And then I have my BTFY boxes, which are full of my hair stuff on the top, my curler and my straighteners and my hairdryer. And then in the bottom box I've got all my summer clothes and just some miscellaneous things, my tarot cards, my oracle cards, and some Polaroid films as well that I've not used yet. Then moving round, we've got my little makeup station here, all along with my fairy light wall. And I've got some little flowers from Hobbycraft, and the vase is from Amazon. My Hollywood light up mirror is from Amazon as well. I've got some crystals from Instagram and Etsy, rose quartz, some amethyst, and some howlite, and some angel aura quartz, I believe. My Hollywood mirror changes colour as well. Let me just show you here. So you can have it brighter, you can have it on the yellow setting, the more daylight setting, or you can have it on the standard setting. It just turns off here as well, it's touchscreen, and you can take it back on and adjust the brightness, and then you can dim it as well. This little tray was from B&M, maybe about a year ago now. And over here, this is from BTFY, and this is my little makeup case, which has been a lifesaver. This is my moisturiser, my makeup brushes from Cosmic that are just glittery. How pretty are those? I've got my eyelash curler, my Revolution palette, my Modern Renaissance palette, my magnetic lashes box that I got from Amazon, and I got my magnetic lashes from Ardell, which I've currently got on. I'll just keep them in there. And then if we turn this round, I've got my hairbrush, an e.l.f. contour palette that I'm yet to try, and all my makeup that I use every time I get ready. Some of my favourites are Rimmel, Benefit Bad Gal Bang, Collection Lasting Perfection Concealer, the Revolution Stick for my contour, and the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. These fairy lights also come with a little remote as well, which changes settings, and they dim and brighten. I've linked the fairy light wall in my description box. Then in this little drawer in my desk, I've got my Polaroid camera and my lashes of my friend's brand, Ikea Alex lashes. She stopped doing them at the minute, but I think they might be coming back. My Naked palette from Urban Decay, my Soap and Glory Miss You Madly spray, my little Ted Baker bag for my jewellery, my chokers, my rose gold jewellery, my hair bobbles from Ponyo. You should check Ponyo out if you've not already for high ponytails. They are perfect. They just hold your hair like no other bobble. Lady Million perfume, some Glamify lashes, my snow agate crystals and my amethyst crystals and my scrunchie, my makeup removing mitts and my little sectioning clips from Beauty Works. This is an overview of the drawer. If you can't tell, I have OCD, which is diagnosed. Then under my desk, I've got my makeup bag from Ted Baker, so when I need to go out and put all my makeup that's on my desk in a bag, I can just chuck it in there. I also have any spare brushes as well that I've got that I don't use on a daily basis in this little pot from Ikea, which is actually a plant pot. But yeah, I've got all my spare Technique brushes and Cosmic brushes in there. Then I just have this clear little makeup storage. This one just got extra makeup in it that's not yet been opened, and some more lashes, some spares and some MUA liquid highlight, some nail polishes, some Stay Matte and some lip liners, which I currently can't use because I've got contact dermatitis on my lips, which is a shame, and some Benefit High Brow Glow. Then I've got some extra Revolution products and some collection products and some lash serum as well and brow serum. And then in the bottom one I've got my Urban Decay Naked Heat palette. And then I also have my picture that goes on my desk. I have kept it here because it is a better filming background than this up here, but I am going to be keeping it there because I love it for filming. It just brings the aesthetic together. And then I have my chair from Picture Perfect Home and my little cushion from The Range, I think it was. So this is my shell chair. Honestly, probably one of the favourite things in my room. Love this chair so much. And it's really comfy. It's easy to clean as well. You wouldn't think it would and you'd think it's stained really easily, but I've dropped a few things on it and it's not stained, thankfully. The legs are just silver. And then the back looks like this. It's just got the zip there, but you can always put a fluffy rug on if you don't like it. I just chuck my pillow on just because I'm quite a messy person and it helps me sit up to do my makeup. And then this just pushes back under my desk. So what I'm going to do now is give you a little bit of an overview of everything. But I really hope you like my room tour, and honestly I'm in love. So we'll go this way this time. So I've got my makeup station, my shelves, my bed, my BTFY boxes, my record player, Ikea mirror, my rug, my fairy lights, my Coco Chanel print and my clothing rack. So that was my 2021 room tour. I really hope you all loved today's video. I absolutely love it. I'm in love with how everything's turned out, and I especially love how I've just done the rail and the Chanel picture this morning. It all ties in so nicely and it just feels like a better vibe, if you know what I'm saying. If you would like to see more videos from me, please don't forget to subscribe down below and leave a comment. Let me know what you enjoyed, and if you've got any questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section. So yeah, that's going to conclude today's video, guys, and until next time, bye, love you.